I keep what? She'll keep bumping you? Boom? With her basket. Which I think she's trying to turn it around now. Let her turn around. I see. Turn around. Siri, why you keep hitting your sister with your basket? Turn around. Why you turning around? Already. Hey. What? You want what? You want me to wipe you?
Yeah.
Huh? Look at my shirt. Huh? Hold on, I gotta take it out first. Wipe yourself out. Come here. Hold on. My little sweaty baby. You sweating all on top of your head and everything. Look, you got me wet. Came off you. Wow. Y'all ready to go in the house? No? You ready to go in? Y'all ain't ready to go in the house yet. No. What you mean no? It's hot. Daddy back burning. My back burning. Ah. Hot. Hot. I just called you a little naps in the back of your head. It ain't even, your hair ain't even nappy, it just curl up. I told your mom she needed to let me put dreads in your hair. Man, it did kill me, boy.